Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about forensic psychiatry. Forensic psychiatry is a branch of psychiatry and it is a part of criminology. Well, coming to the definition, we can say forensic psychiatry is a branch of psychiatry deals with diagnosis and treatment of mentally ill people, those who stays in jail or prison or special or secured hospital and community. Or otherwise we can say forensic psychiatry is a branch of psychiatry that deals with issues arising in the interference, that means connection between psychiatry and the law. So it is directly related to psychiatry and law at the same time. It is a part of criminology and the word forensic means legal and law. So forensic psychiatry is something related to legal things and law. Forensic psychiatrist. Who can work as a forensic psychiatrist? Everyone cannot work as a forensic psychiatrist. Forensic psychiatrists are medical doctors who have specialized in psychiatry and subspecialized in forensic psychiatry. So they have to specialize degree in psychiatry and then is specialization in forensic psychiatry too. So that person can work as a forensic psychiatrist. Forensic psychiatrists work closely with legal system to determine competency of defendant and make recommendations to solve crimes and treat mental illness in criminals. So this point is very important. They are helping to solve crimes and also helps in the treatment of mental illness in criminals. What are all the responsibilities or duties of a forensic psychiatrist? Forensic psychiatrists will assess the criminally mental ill patient, help in limiting further harm to the patient and others, provide multidisciplinary clinical skills, work with other psychiatric specialties, provide expert advice to other health and social care professionals, and they are also providing specialist advice to the courts. So they are doing a multidisciplinary clinical skill. So they are showing a multidisciplinary task. They are working with the patient in the hospital as well as they are helping the patient to face the legal procedures. A forensic psychiatrist also providing specialist advice to the probation service, the prison service and other psychiatric colleagues. They will help in prepare the reports for mental health review tribunals and hospital managers. They will also help in rehabilitation procedure back into the society. While coming back to the normal society, how they can cope up with the things and how they can cope up with the society. Regarding that also, forensic psychiatrists will help them. Offering support to the family and friends. They will also offer support to the family and friends and they will have a strong connection with criminal justice agencies. So we can say the forensic psychiatrist is showing a multidisciplinary skill. They will work with the mentally ill person, at the same time they will work with the criminal legal procedures of the particular mentally ill person. And also they will help to review the things in the hospital as well as in front of the tribunal. Forensic psychiatrists regularly provide court work, that means expert witness evidence to the court at all levels. Forensic psychiatrists will do consultation work, also include assessment on risk, harm, treatment, pharmacology help and psychotherapy. The forensic psychiatrist is still in the infant stage in India. That's the point, very important point which we can see in the field of forensic psychiatry. It is still in the infant stage in India and in the other developing countries. It is misunderstood and neglected and ignored stage due to the different reasons. But recent reports saying that the scenario of forensic psychiatry is changing a lot in India. That's a good news actually. The recent reports are saying that the scenario of forensic psychiatry or the attitudes towards the forensic psychiatry is changing a lot in India. What's the difference between forensic psychiatrist and forensic psychologist? There is a small difference between forensic psychiatry and psychologist. The psychiatrists are doctors. So forensic psychiatrists are doctors and they can prescribe the medication. They can provide treatment and care. But a psychologist, that means forensic psychologist, cannot prescribe the medication. They are holding a valid degree in psychology and they will help in counseling and therapy process, but they cannot prescribe the medication and all. So forensic psychiatrists are the doctors with specialty training in medical disorders and who have a degree in medicine. Forensic psychologists do not go to medical school but hold a degree in psychology. That is the difference between forensic psychiatrist and forensic psychologist. So this is about forensic psychiatry, and forensic psychiatry is in the infant stage in India, but the recent reports are saying that there are a lot of changes we can see in the field of forensic psychiatry. So once again I am telling, forensic psychiatry is a branch of psychiatry deals with treatment of mentally ill person, those who are convicted to any crime. That's all for today, and thank you so much. Hope you understand. Thank you.